this is a cassava roots. These are the cassava. Look like we're just buying some charcoal. This you can see these people here depend on farming, and then if you pull the roots, you get a cassava from the roots. There's a cassava farming going on here. I'll just walk a little bit to show you guys how the farm look like. Fatire avia. Arala viaje. Avo. Rakamalio. All right, see the okra is finished, but this is how the okra tree look like. All right, and also that's the maize farm there. So guys, we just stopped for a bit. That's the car. Jay is there. A road trip. We're almost there. A few more minutes that we're there in the village. All right, so guys, let's continue. okay. Money. Waffle is they will. Is a waffle. Is a waffle. Come over. Sweet come over. Come on, go. Okay. What's your job? Sweet. Waffle, come Keraka. But I don't care. You were multi-million. Okay, my problem over. What could I need? Okay, take it out 40. Okay, well, I check. Marco Blina. Guys, I'm currently just touring the pot place where they make the pots. Wow, it's making it. Wow. Daddy, what's up? I won't buy the pots on. Who they sell them? Come on, pleasure. Come again now. I'm not calling you. Wow. I like coming over here. I like on there. Wow. You're people. Wow, guys, look how they're making their pots. Oh, they invite me to come in, guys. How amazing is that? Wow, look at the pot farm. There's a lot of pots here. Wow, look. And it's raining really, really heavy. Wow, boss. Wow. Aku don't chill ya, don't chill me aja. Ni, cuma tu sana ni. Kau kena 30. Kau mana ni?
53 photos.
This one is 50 cities, man. This one. Or should we get two of that? This one is 50. Come right here, 30 cities. This is 30 cities. This is 50. Pardon? That one then? 1 or 2? Right, come over now. Sabala nini? Majira gananya? Eh? Eh?
No.
Okay. Huh? Yellow melon. Babe, this yellow melon. Huh? Rakana ni? How many? 2 or 4? 4? And now one man. So guys, they have watermelon. Eh? Watermelon? Do we need watermelon? The car will be full. Yeah, near the knee. Let me drive. What? Okay. Now watermelon, Reka. Yeah. Sawala, there you know, Viaro, Macubiaro. So guys, make sure you stop here and buy onions, watermelon, yam, yellow melon, and tomato. Maunawe. So make sure you stop here and buy from Maunawe. This is we're buying some onions, some tomato, some yellow melons. That's how it looks like. And this is yam, and this is the big watermelon. Yeah, amazing. So this is where we are right now. We're shopping. We are shopping for the village. See, this is where we are right now. We are shopping for the village. We just bought everything that will last us for our time in the village. So guys, make sure you stop here. It's at the Thank𝙔𝙤𝙪 Junction. Make sure you come here. The custom is just down there. And Jay is in the car.